Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the 2026 Miss Baguio candidates guided by their respective barangay officials. We have candidate number 1 from Asin Road, Miss Saina Rose Mark, led by the Punong Barangay, Peter Dumaki. Candidate number 2, Balsigan, Kayla Muriel Jose, Punong Barangay Fermin B. Calabasas. Candidate number 3, East Bayan Park, Zera C. Camayo, with their Punong Barangay Roy Alexander F. Tawa Jr. Candidate number 4, Gibraltar, Shania Turco, with their Punong Barangay Dinesio O. Guap. Candidate number 5, Irisan, Ms. Emery Lawigan Humira, with their Punong Barangay Arthur D. Carlos. Candidate number 6, Noakan Proper, Ms. Corinne Sophie Labaca, with their Punong Barangay Edward Manuel P. Cayetano. Candidate number 7, Lower Nordeste Subdivision, Ms. Patrice Raquel Balahacha, with their Punong Barangay Lorente R. Sapitula. And for our first batch of candidates, candidate number 8, Military Club of Charlotte Megan Goshoko, with their Punong Barangay Becky R. Ambion Cruz. Ladies and gentlemen, the first batch of your 2026 Miss Baguio candidates, together with their respective barangay officials. Punong Barangays, you may now sash your candidates. Once again, that was your first batch of Miss Baguio candidates for 2026. We now proceed to the second batch of our 2026 Miss Baguio candidates. We have from Barangay New Lukman, Jessa Samayog San, with the SK Chairperson, Jalen Rose Kaya. From North Sanitary Camp, Jeneline Ramos Bedanya, with her SK Chairman, Jesper S. Castaneda. From Barangay Kakdal, Charlene Gonzalez, with their SK Chairman, Levi Mudo. From Barangay Tingin, Frances Bliney B. Dicayo, with their Punong Barangay, Pablo Espawi Jr. From Barangay San Luis Village, we have Mika Soriano, with their SK Chairman, Larry Laurel Gay. From Barangay San Vicente, we have Katrina Sandu, with their Punong Barangay, Rufina B. Loa Mona. From Santo Tomas proper, we have Camille Cano, with their Punong Barangay, Alejandro Allen P. Actes. And to complete our second batch and our list of candidates for the 2026 Miss Baguio, we have South Sanitary Camp, Daniela Mazen Mustafa, with their Punong Barangay, Vivian M. Fernandez. Punong Barangays, you may now sash your candidates. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our 16 Miss Baguio 2026 candidates. At this point, we may now also invite our city officials to join our candidates for a quick photo opportunity. Once again, these are your 16 Miss Value candidates with their punong barangays, with respective representatives of their barangays and our city officials.